Oh yeah. This is going from something to Luang Prabang. Something to bloke here looking for a seat. He's got his chicken, so he's got a ticket. His chicken's got a ticket. It's chaos. The seats aren't secure. They're just like. There you go. Yeah, no, that's not going anywhere. They're like old plane seats from the bloody 40s or 50s, and they just chuck them on the, put it to a couple of planks of wood, and just sort of put them there. She'll be right. The seats are numbered, clearly marked. As you can see, they mark them by just getting a paper and writing it there. That's cool. Lovely little people there. He's still complaining he can't find a seat for his chicken. Boat departs at 11. We're told to be at the place at 9:30. It's 10:30 now. I reckon we'll be going by, I don't know, 12 o'clock. It's just very, very relaxed and great. So we've been going for what, 15 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. One bloke came streaming out of the back yelling, "No, stop!" We've pulled over. We've done a U-bolt, we've pulled over.
We still have no clue what's going
We've got no idea what's going on. We thought maybe we lost the chicken, but the chicken's still here.
Do you know what's happened?
No idea.
I think it's the engine.
Yeah.
Hey?
The engine.
It could be the engine. It looked like a pissy little unit.
The captain's out at the
The
moment.
captain's going to have a look. Brains Trust is down there now. There's about 40 of them. I just want to show you the seals here. They've just got rubber. To see what they call it. They're going into the thermostat. Right.
So there is the problem with the clutch. Maybe there's oil inside the clutch now. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is your clutch on and off, not your park drive. Regardless. That's brilliant. So now we have a rescue boat, or some other people. They've got different seats. Now I've just realised I've got this luxury armrest here. Look at that. So all this time that was up, and I could have been just living the high life with my arm down here like this. And now we're getting off this one because it's rooted and it doesn't move. Gonna climb over here. Here we are, boat number 2. Apparently there's people in the back where the bag was supposed to go. There's a family or something, so we can't put our shit there. So we're all here. Here we are, just hanging off the side of the boat. Sorry, man. Let's go down the back. On this river, Mekong. They've got to constantly go in and out of these bloody things. Jump in. just got off the boat down there, and we walked up this street to our guest house, which is called the Salika guest house, but also spelt Sarika. So take your pick. They do spelling good up here. This is pretty cool. It's a nice little riverfront sort of thing. Look down onto the river, where we'll be getting back on a boat tomorrow, going to Luang Prabang. So the sunrise will be nice. Let's have a look at the room. This is the door here. No handle, just a lock, and you can lock it. Pretty like. Well, yep.
What's the password, buddy?
It's up on the wall.
Can't see it from here.
Oh, jeez. Yep, no.
Can you see it? Yeah.
So to give this a close, you've got to use two hands to really get that in there like that. Oh, there's your light switch there.
Password, please.
The Wi-Fi password's taped to the wall. It's 565
Yeah.
78366.
Hop on.
And it's not Wi-Fi, it's free Fiway. F-I-W-I. Free Fiway. You got wires and shit running on top here. We've got a fan. There's no. Hey? Yeah. There's a fan. There's no aircon. There's a coat hook. There's no blood stains, which is good. Like last time.
We have more than one.
More mystery wires. Oh yes, I love a good set of mystery wires. The curtains are held together with paper clips. We've got oh yeah, that's what you want. Just secure that. Actually, I've got tape. I could probably fix that. You just jam that in there. So at least we've got power points there for charging, and we'll see later if they actually stay in. The bed's about a foot away from the window, and that's alarming a little bit. Oh, that's a light switch there as well.
Oh.
And there's a thing there. And when it focuses a view of the street, and these are obviously Mozzie screens. So let's have a look at the shit house. Oh, more mystery wires. Look at that. That one just comes out of nowhere. And there's not even a TV here, you just noticed.
Oh, look at my friend baby. He's so cute. Tell you what.
Hang on, let me finish the tour. Is there a light here? Yes, there is a light. There it is there. Oh, okay. Very much like the other place across the border in Laos. The shithouse toilet bathroom is all one thing, and it's well lit. Yeah. Very, very well lit. Oh, there's a spider above the toilet too. Let's see if we can get that. There he is. Oh, there's a whole heap of them. Oh, yeah. Window. At least the sink. There's a sink. And the water. There's that'll be hot and that'll be cold. Just got myself a beauty there. And as always, there's a fun gun. It looks like it's been freshly used. How much was this place, Japna? 28 bucks. So 28 bucks. Last night was how much? $13 last night. For $13 got us an air conditioner and a TV. This place, twice the price. No TV, no air conditioner.
No TV.
A fan, yeah. No TV. Look, no TV.
I didn't realise there's no TV.
Yeah, no TV. Not that we'll need it would be that stuffed.
I didn't have a choice last night. We were knackered.
Well, it was either this or
$45.
or 45 bucks, or like these other not idiots, but these other people running around town looking for a room now rather than coming back and relaxing. Alright, so welcome to our second night in Laos. Chicka chow. But have a look at the stress that this thing's under. And it worked fine. Just done a fix to this here, just so everything charges. Basically duct tape the shit out of it. Duct tape up there and across there to the wall and around to secure it. And now it looks like it charges all the time because the things aren't constantly falling out like so. I won't charge them for this. I've done this out of my want of safety in this area. So they can thank me for that later.